Welcome to TDS Online Math. Alright, let's provide the solution to this question, okay? So we have x raised to 6 minus 64 equals to 0. So x raised to 6 means that we are expected to get 6 solutions, okay? Now let's get started. So solution. Now we are given x to the power 6 minus 64 equals to 0. Now, because of this minus, let's try and adjust this, okay, this and that, if you get difference of 2 squares here. Now remember, a squared minus b squared is the same as a plus b, a minus b. So from here, we can write the power 6 here as x, okay, cube all raised to 2. Now when you're given m raised to t all raised to x, the same as m raised to xt. So this one is product. Okay, we can now write the 64 as 8 squared, because 8 squared is 64. So we have done nothing. So from here, my a is x cube, my b is 8. So we have x cube minus 8 x cube plus 8 equals to 0. All right. Now, from here, with the 0 product, we have x cube minus 8 equal to 0 and x cube plus 8 equals to 0. So the first one will be x cube minus 8 equals to 0, or x cube plus 8 equals to 0. Now let's start with x cube minus 8 equals to 0. Now this one will give us 3 solutions, and this one will give us another 3 solutions, making 6. So let's start with this. Now this one is a typical difference of cubes, okay? Now when we're given a cube minus b cube is the same as a minus b, okay? A squared plus the product of a and b plus b squared. So this side will be x cube minus 8 is the same as e to the power 3 equal to 0. So we have x minus 2 x squared, okay, plus the product of the 2x plus 2 squared 4 equals to 0. Now don't forget the 0 product. So we have x minus 2 equal to 0, this one, or x squared plus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. So we have x equals to 2. Now let's consider this one as we compare this one with general quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a is 1, b is 2, c is 4. A is 1, b is 2, and c is 4. Let's confirm again. A1, B2, C4. So from here we can write our formula as x minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4 is c on 2a. Now let's solve for x. So a is 1b, so we have minus 2 plus or minus 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times c 4 on 2 times 1 minus 2 plus or minus. So this side is 4, this side is minus 16 on 2. Okay, all right, so this side will be minus 12. Okay, so we have x minus 2 plus or minus minus 12 on 2 minus 12 on 2. So this side becomes complex. So remember, square root of minus 1 is the same as I. It means negative 1 is the same as I squared. Okay, so you can write this one as x equals minus 2 plus or minus negative 1 times 12 on 2. So we have x equals to minus 2 plus or minus. So we have square root of minus 1 times square root of 12. Now square root of 12 is the same as 4 3. So that would be 2 3. So we have minus 2 plus or minus 2 3 I. So this side will be I from here on 2. So we have minus 2 on 2 plus or minus 2 on 2 3i. So this side will cancel, making minus 1. So x is minus 1 plus or minus 3i. So it means, now let's look at the x1. So x1 is 2. So x1 is 2. x2 is minus 1 plus 3i. x3 will be minus 1 minus 3i. Now let's look for the next 3 solutions here. So that will be the sum of cubes. Okay, we are done with the difference. Let's look at the sum. S cube plus 8. So the next one is s cube plus 8 equals to 0. So from here, s cube plus y cube is the same as x plus y. Okay, then we have x squared minus the product of x and y plus the square of y squared. Okay, now from here we can write this one as s cube plus 2 to the power 3 equals to 0. So x plus 2, and we have x squared minus the product 2x plus 2 squared 4 equal to 0. Now with the 0 product, x plus 2 equal to 0, or x squared minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. So x equals minus 2. and this side x squared minus 2x plus 4. So let's look for the solution. So this side will be the x4. Okay, solution 4. Remember, we already have the first three solutions, so the fourth solution is minus 2. So let's look for the other solution. So let's compare this. So ax squared plus bx plus c. A is 1, b is minus 2, c is 4. So x will be minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac on 2a. Okay, so x minus 2 plus or minus b squared minus 2 squared minus 4 times a1 c4 on 2 times 1. So we have 2 plus or minus 4 minus 16 on 2. So we still have minus, this side will be minus 12. Okay, all right, so this side will be x equals to, so 2 plus or minus 12 on 2. Remember, we've already solved minus 12 here, so that will be 2 plus or minus, okay, 2 with 3i on 2. So this side will be 1, 1, okay, 1 plus or minus that. So we have this. Since we've already done that, you don't want to waste time here. So let's go back. So my fourth solution will be minus 2. My fifth solution will be 1 plus 3i, and my sixth solution will be 1 minus 3i. So that's that. So from here. All right. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos. All right.